Nowadays, UV DTF stickers have become one of the most popular printing products on the market. Thanks to their extremely wide range of applications, from custom gifts and daily necessities to digital products. Among all applications, advertising promotion stands out the most. Whether it's company logos, event themes, or promotional slogans, UV DTF stickers can present them impressively. This video will explain why UV DTF stickers are becoming increasingly popular. 1. What are UV DTF stickers? UV DTF is a transfer sticker technology that uses UV curing to print CMYK colors, white ink, and varnish layers onto a transparent film, then transfers the design onto almost any smooth surface. UV DTF stickers are made of 2 layers of film, B-film. Once produced, applying the sticker takes only 3 steps: stick, press, peel. The design adheres firmly to the surface, quick and effortless. 2. Core advantages of UV DTF. Glass, metal, wood, ceramics, leather, acrylic, hard plastics. UV DTF is often called the universal sticker. It is especially suitable for small batch customization and multi-material product combinations. UV ink delivers bright, saturated colors, high-definition details, crystal-like gloss, slight embossed texture. Perfect for logos, brand labels, packaging decals, super eye-catching. With a UV varnish layer on top, UV DTF provides strong water resistance, scratch and abrasion resistance, UV resistance, colors don't fade, wipeable and long-lasting. It stays vibrant whether used outdoors or in daily scenarios. 3. How wide are the application scenarios? Essentially limitless, no matter the industry or product type, UV DTF fits right in. 4. Why now is the best time to get a UV DTF printer? Because it aligns perfectly with 3 major market trends: rising demand for personalization. Customers want unique, design-driven products. Brands expect higher visual quality. UV DTF boosts visual appeal without adding high costs. High-profit small batch business is growing. Low entry cost plus high profitability equals ideal for small shops and factories. Conclusion: UV DTF stickers combine high aesthetics, high compatibility, high durability, high commercial value. If you're looking for a new product line, a new service, or a new business opportunity, UV DTF is absolutely worth considering.